Now moving on to our special campaign against Delhi pollution and how the agencies are failing to tackle the menace repeatedly. In our special campaign to find out what causes Delhi to choke every year, we turn our focus today on the Delhi government itself. We focused on two crucial departments of the government which can impact pollution levels in the city of Delhi: the Transport Department and the Pollution Control Board. And also we found out that shortage of staff and lax policies are hindering the war against pollution. In fact, when we went on ground, we found out that the weak public transport is actually hindering the fight against pollution. Remember, 28% of pollution in Delhi emanates from vehicles, and despite that, there are not enough number of buses on road right now in Delhi, which is actually adding to pollution woes. Let's take a look at Alok's report.
At least 28% of pollution causes due to vehicles, number of vehicles that is increased in the national capital. However, there is no restrictions in the registration of the vehicles as of now in the national capital. In fact, what the environmentalist says that if the Delhi government comes up with a better policy that is related to the transport, then definitely the Delhi government may somehow manage to decrease the pollution level. But as of now, it is the failure of the government that they have not come up with any kind of better transport policy. In fact, the Delhi government initially promised that they will buy the new buses for the better transportation, public transportation, but that has also not happened so far.
In fact, Mirror Now also found out that there is an acute shortage of manpower in transport and pollution departments in Delhi, which means that there are not enough staff to implement and monitor anti-pollution plans on ground. Alok Singh has more details.
In the national capital, not only there is the shortage of public transport, but also there is the huge shortage in the transport department and also the pollution and environment department as well. In fact, the transport department, there are only 28 inspectors who are working, who are responsible for the pollution checking of the vehicle. But in the otherwise, that there are department which is the pollution department and environment department, there is also the shortage of the team members. There are only 37 persons who are working there, and they are responsible for conducting checks at the pollution at the site, like the construction site or other sites as well. And in fact, their sanctioned strength is more than 300, but they are working with just 100 of staff. So definitely this tells the story about the national capital, that how much the Delhi is capable of controlling the pollution level in the national capital.